So now let's go to the outbound processing. How does it look like here? We have also released a new version for the outbound processing. The outbound processing is getting data from Salesforce, reading data from Salesforce. For example, reading data from a user input screen, or most of the time you are reading data from an S object, like from account, from contact, or reading data with your Apex class. And then you can send the data out, and the processing step in Skyva is here that you are selecting data here. Then you are transforming the data to the structure that the receiver can understand it, that you do it here in the transformation, in the mapping step. Then you are going to the operation, and the operation is sending the data through a different adapter, like SAP adapter or FTP adapter, or calling an API in Google using that operation step. So that is the adapter step. And then you are sending the data out. That is the standard functionality that we have right now. So what have we done in the new version? In the new version, you are seeing here that we have a new step created called workflow. When you go back and remember the slide for the inbound processing, we have the workflow step. But for the outbound processing, we don't have the workflow step. And now we add the workflow step to be able to do condition-based routing. And here, we apply the same approach that you can plug in your custom logic at any places before or after the Skyva processing block. And in the same way, you can also replace the Skyva block if you have your own complex processing logic. So let's have a look here, an example slide how it could look like for the outbound processing here. So here you have again the different data resources where the data can come from. Then you have the first step, so select the data. Then you plug in the logic that you do before you are going to the mapping step. Then you are going to the mapping step, to the Skyva mapping step, but you are plugged in, you have here enhance, that you plug in your logic here, do something, prepare data, something, before you are going to the mapping step. Then you don't like the workflow condition because your condition is very complex, you need to do yourself. Then you can replace the Skyva block and go to the custom workflow, to your Apex code that can do the condition. Then you are returning back to our operation step, and then you are using the operation step, one of our adapter, to invoke, to send data to a receiver. So this example, you see that you can merge, you can merge and mix the plug-in processing way and the custom replacement capability together to build whatever logic, whatever combination you need.